For looking for clients, you need to know what freelance copywriter do, why you need to become a freelance copywriter, how much freelance copywriter make a year, the pros and cons of this career. What does a freelance copywriter do? Copywriter helps sell product, experience and services. They write copy that persuade audience with actionable and engaging text. In addition, effective copy stroke interest with the glance. Above all, they convert reader or viewer into buyer with urgent calls to action that answer why they goods now. So what makes a copywriter different from content writer? Copywriter and content writer differ by the purpose of the content they create. Copywriter write to sell, while content writer craft work that inform, entertain, and instruct their audience. While content writer produce blog posts, SEO article, newsletter, and ebooks, copywriter write online and offline ads, commercial and promo scripts, jingles, social media posts, slugs and taglines, brochures and a catalog, website copy, direct mail packages, email campaign, landing and sale page. Product listening on the e-commerce site, software application listening in the app store. Copywriter may also be tasked with preparing press releases, white paper and video and webinar script. In other words, copywriter write anything that compels the audience to take action, such as becoming lead or the customer. What skill do you need for a freelancer copywriter? You need more than a great to perfect grasp of selling grammar, punctuation, and a broad vocabulary. You need to write persuasive copy to get copywriting clients. An effective call to action converts traffic into the customer and build your reputation among the clients. You will also need to learn how to connect emotion to experiences, product, and the services. Compelling copywriting facilitates buyer journey through the sales process. Clean and concise copy improve understanding of the product and what it can do for the customer. And in the case of the website, simply copy guides customer to purchase. How does a copyright freelancer makes a year? Indeed, post an average base salary of $28 per hour. US-based freelance copywriters are estimated to earn $66,813 per hour. Those in Toronto base are also take $29 per hour. Freelancer income also varies per client industry and type of the copy. Freelancer copyright can find the best paying gig among the insurance, healthcare and the telecom clients. Additionally, experienced writer takes in rough with the pay per click, SEO and long-term form sales page copywriting. ZipRecruiter notes that the agency pay range varies greatly. Experience, skill level, and location are three of the biggest factors in this variation. In fact, some vets make six-figure a year. One such case is a Jacob McKillen, whose stairway to the $2,000 was paved with the persuasive writing. Any other is collar ties from business writing. They switch to marketing, and the end in writing books on how to become highly paid copywriter. Then there David Feldman, a financial analyst turned freelancer copywriter who now makes over $1 million annually. Pros and cons of freelance copywriter career. As you can guess, the free in freelance means you are not held to traditional standard. You set your hours, choose clients, and that the type of copy you will work on. You are also free to choose the kind of training on your pockets, and there is no set limit in your earning either. Your potential earning scale with the number of projects you take on and how much you charge for your time. If in any other business, you can multiply your income without detriment to your writing career. Now I will brief explain the pros and cons of freelance copywriting. Now comes to the pros part. Number one is pick your hours, client and project. Choose your own courses and training. Know where your money comes from and where it goes. Reputation runs on efforts. The cons are labor and research intensive, everything on your shoulder. Finding a niche to thrive in your services, form a business, and all that it entails constant self-promotion. We said it during the skills section and we will say it again here. And the kind of people who thrive in this career are disciplined, communicative, and able to set and stick to their goals. Finding a niche to thrive in your services, form a business, and all that is entails constant self-promotion, and we said it during the skills section and we will say it again here. The kind of the people who thrive in this career are disciplined, communicative, and able to set and stick to their goals. How do I become a freelance copywriter with no experience? By now you know the basics of freelance copywriting. You know that copywriting is, how much you can make, and what the pros and cons are. The next step is figuring out what to do with all this information. Finding a trustworthy site that offers free or paid courses needed for your field in the first step. Earning certificates from these courses also endorse your skill as a real and valuable potential clients are also more likely to hire you when they see credential on the gig project or on your CV. Working remotely with a mentor through a 3-month apprenticeship for trackable legitimate work and result and references, you will also learn from experts in the industry and gain practical experience that will launch your career. All that real world experience will reflect in your CV, portfolio, and LinkedIn profile through an aggregated software. I hope you really enjoyed this video and get a valuable insight from my video. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and comments in comment section below. I will see you guys in my next video.